If you forget ideas, tasks, or notes, Google Keep can fix that. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Keep to stay organized on your phone and computer. Google Keep is a free note-taking app by Google. It syncs across your devices and works with Gmail, Google Docs, and Calendar. Open keep.google.com or the Google Keep app. Click Take a Note. You can type text, add images, record voice notes, auto-transcribed, create checklists, use colors to visually separate notes, add labels like work, personal, or ideas, pin important notes to keep them at the top. Click the Remind Me icon. Set reminders by time or location, like when you reach the office. Perfect for tasks you shouldn't forget. Use the search bar to find notes by keyword, color, or label. Archive old notes to keep your main screen clean without deleting them. Tap Collaborator to share a note with others. Great for shopping lists, projects, or family tasks. That's how you use Google Keep to organize your life the smart way. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment what Google tool you want next.